Hello everyone, welcome to this video on Introduction to Pandas. In this video, we will be exploring one of the most popular data manipulation libraries in Python. Our today's agenda is introduction followed by some code examples, followed by the real life examples of Pandas, and last but not the least, use of the Pandas in industry. Starting with introduction, Panda is a powerful and flexible data manipulation library for Python. It provides high performance, easy to use data structures and data analysis tools for handling structured data, making it an essential tool for data scientists, analysts, as well as the engineers. Built on top of the NumPy package, Pandas offer a range of powerful features for working with tabular data, including data cleaning, transformation, as well as the analysis. Whether you are working with large datasets or small ones, Pandas makes it easy to manage and manipulate data, enabling you to get the insights you need quickly and efficiently. Interactive code examples. Let's take a closer look at how Pandas work with some interactive code examples. We will start by importing Pandas library. First of all, import Pandas as PD. Now, next, we let's create a sample dataset as a pandas data frame. We will use the data about some fictional employees. Here, we have the employee ID from 101 to 104. We have the employee name Alice, Bob, Charlie, David. Their department, marketing, sales, engineering, and product. And the salary is given in the last. We need to assign a variable df equal to pd.dataframe to create a sample data as a pandas data frame, and we need to pass the argument variable data in that pd.dataframe which we create earlier. Now we can use the head method to display the first few rows of the data frame. We will try it by our own. In this code example, we can write import pandas as pd. Now we need to create a data. So for that purpose, I'm going to add the employee ID as well as the employee name, the department, as well as the salary. Further that, I need to create a df variable and write pd.dataframe and pass the variable data as an argument. After that, we need to print df.head, and in this, if we not pass any argument, it will show first 5 rows. But in our case, we have only 4 rows, so it shows all the 4 rows. Okay, so this should display the we can also use the info method to get more information about the data frame. Let's try it also. Print df.info. If we write this and we run this, let's comment it out for our ease. Here we go. It gives us a output as class pandas.core.frame.dataframe and some range index and data columns and columns names. Okay. Last, it gives d types int 64 and object 2. We have used 2 objects here and 2 integers here. Okay. As you can see, the info method provides us with the useful information about the data frame, including the number of rows and columns, the data types of each column, and the amount of memory. In the last, the amount of memory used by the data frame. We can also use the to describe. We can also use the describe method to get some summary statistics about the numerical columns. Okay, let's try it. Just comment it out and print df dot describe. Hope it works. Yeah, it works. So this gives us some useful information about the distribution of numerical data in the data frame, including the mean, standard deviation, and quartile values. Here is the 25%, 50%, and 75% for employee ID and salary, as these are the only integer type variable. So remember that describe method only works for the column who has the data type as integer. Now there are just few examples of how pandas can be used to explore and manipulate data. So with pandas, you have a wide range of powerful tools as your disposal for working with the data in Python. For the second, for the another code, we have as the output and the code we have done. Now for the real life examples, Pandas is widely used in real life applications for a variety of data related tasks, including data cleaning, data transformation, and data analysis. Here are some examples of how Pandas is used in different industries. First of all, finance. In the finance industry, Pandas is used to analyze and manipulate financial data such as stock prices and market trends. Financial analysis used pandas to extract insights from a large data set and make informed decisions based on that data. Second one is healthcare. In the healthcare industry, pandas is used to clean and transform medical data such as patients' record and clinical trial data. This enables healthcare professionals to analyze and interpret the data, identify the trends in it, and make better decisions related to patients' care. In the social media companies which uses pandas, they are using pandas to analyze user engagement and behavior, track the trends, and gain insights into user preferences. This enables them to provide a better user experience and create targeted advertising campaigns. Second last is research. In the research industry, Python is used to analyze and manipulate scientific data such as climate data and gene sequencing data. This enables researchers to identify patterns and trends in the data and make them meaningful discoveries. In the e-commerce industry, Pandas is used to analyze customer data and sales data. This helps businesses to understand the customer behavior as well as to make the data-driven decisions related to product development, marketing, as well as the sales strategy. In addition to these industries, Pandas is used in many other areas, including education, government, and transportation. With its powerful data manipulation and analysis capability, Pandas has become an essential tool for data professionals in many industries. Lastly, I want to cover the use of Pandas in industry. So, Pandas has become a popular tool for data analysis and manipulation across many industries. Let's take an example of Airbnb company. Airbnb, the online vacation rental marketplace, was facing challenges with their pricing strategies. They were relying on manual processes and spreadsheets tools to analyze pricing data, which was time consuming and error prone. To overcome this, Airbnb turned to Pandas and other Python libraries to develop a revenue management system. Pandas allows Airbnb to automate their data analysis process and improve their pricing algorithm. The company used Pandas to clean and transform large datasets of booking and pricing data, and then used statistical analysis to identify patterns and trades in the data. This enables them to make the data-driven decisions about pricing and occupancy rates, resulting in a significant increase in revenue. According to Airbnb, their revenue management system, which was built using Pandas and other Python libraries, helped them to increase their annual revenue by $200 million. This is a great example of how Pandas can be used to create a significant impact on a company's bottom line. Last but not the least, in the conclusion, Pandas is a powerful tool for data analysis and manipulation that is widely used across many industries. Its ability to automate the data analysis process and improve algorithms has helped companies like Airbnb to optimize their pricing strategies and increase revenue. With its vast array of features and capabilities, Pandas has become a powerful choice for data professionals looking off to streamline their data analysis processes and make data driven decisions. As the demand for data analysis continues to grow, Pandas is likely to remain a top choice for data analysts as well as the data scientists. So, there you have it, an introduction to the Pandas. We hope you found this video helpful. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comment section below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this one. Thanks for watching.